No, no, no. I'm giving you money. I want to go to Rishikesh.
150.
I'll do 100 maximum.
No, no.
Okay, we're doing a little photo shoot. So this is the entrance to the train station. Look at this. Look at these monkeys. Thank you. Gentleman next to me snoring. My neck is killing me. Very delicious chai.
Guy sitting behind, he is gay.
This is the train. I've got the whole place to myself. Right, okay, I'm gonna do it. So, Hey guys, welcome to the video. We're currently at Acharya Narendra Nagar. I'm at this train station here in Ayodhya. I'm going to go and try and buy a ticket for a train. It's around 4:30 right now, but I'm gonna go and try and buy a train ticket to go to Rishikesh. Now that Diwali is over, this is the train station, but I have no idea whether I can buy a ticket here for a train to leave on the same day, so we'll have to go and see. Station master. Hello. Can I buy a ticket here? Can I buy a ticket? Ticket? It's closed? I want to go to Rishikesh tonight. I don't understand. Do you speak English? No. No English? Anglais? There's the... So ticket office opens... Let's do translate. Let's do Google Translate. Wait 1 second. धन्यवाद.
जर्नल टिकट मिलेगा.
Jarna online?
नहीं, जर्नल टिकट मिलेगा.
I don't understand. Could you speak into this? आपका नाम क्या है? हमारा. मेरा नाम फिलिप है. Nice to meet you. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. See you later. Alright, so this is a bit of a dilemma. This is the train station closest to the hotel that I'm in. But I think I'm going to... Hello. Namaskar. Hey, do you speak English? A little? I'm looking for I'm going to Ayodhya Kant.
The kind.
Yeah.
You where?
Is there a motorbike that someone can take me?
मोटरबाइक.
These are...
पूछो अपने पापा से आधा कांड जाएंगे.
Is this some... Oh, this is his friend.
हाँ, बैटरी रिक्शा.
Thank you. Oh, rickshaw, okay. How much do you reckon?
30 rupees.
30 rupees, okay.
30-40 rupees only.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hello. How are you? आप कैसे हो? Ayodhya Kant? Okay. 40 rupees?
40 rupees हम बता.
Nice try though.
Ayodhya Kant.
Oh, this is better than walking. Hopefully I can get my ticket when I arrive there. Let's see.
You don't want any money to you, sir.
No, no, no. I'm giving you money.
I'm glad to see you come in my holy city.
I refuse to take this. You have to take my money, please.
Okay. But don't give me any money. I'm very nifty.
Well, let's do halfers. Maybe I give you 30. How's 30? Just take it, please. Here you go. Thank you, Bill, though.
Okay.
I appreciate the gesture.
Thank you, sir.
I'll let you give me 10 rupees of hospitality.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, see you later.
Okay.
Nice to
God
meet you.
bless.
Thank you so much. That's nice. But no, I'm not taking this free tuk-tuk rides. These guys work hard, so not fair to do that. Sun's going down because it's getting close to 6 o'clock. Kant station is here? Okay. Over here? Oh, I see. Thank you. Huh? Ticket in here? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Friendly guy. Let's see if I can get a ticket. Hello. I want to go to... Do you speak English? I want to go to Rishikesh today. 7 p.m. I think. Hello.
Come inside, please.
Okay, okay. Oh, there's a mouse. Hello.
Come on.
Hello. I'm making a vlog.
Where are you from, sir?
Scotland. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So yeah, I think there's a train leaving at 7 p.m.
7:25.
7:20.
Arrival at 7:25.
Okay.
Ticket general available. General ticket available.
Do you have AC?
You in train TT make the ticket for you. This ticket?
You won't do it here, but I can do it on the train.
Yeah.
I can upgrade when I get on the train.
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good.
One. Rishikesh.
How much?
Rishikesh.
Rishikesh, yeah.
200.
200. Only 200?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
There we go. That's the one. Is it going to be easy to upgrade?
Yeah, TT.
They will have space?
Train ticket examiner, upgrade your ticket.
I speak to the conductor on the train.
Yeah.
Okay.
Inside train.
Thank you so much. Okay, I have my ticket. See you later. Yes. All right. Guys, don't know how this is going to work out. Not particularly excited about sitting in general. I think it's a 16-hour train journey. Can you take me to Hotel Crincosko? Yeah. How much? Huh? It's 50. 50. It was like 40 to get. Let's do 70. 70 is fine. I'm not doing more than that. You just need to test the prices out a little bit. Is this yours? Huh? I'm going to Hotel Crincosko.
What is it?
Hotel Crin... You know? How much?
150 rupees.
How much?
150 rupees.
30. 30 rupees. Okay, hello. 30 rupees. That's cheap.
150 sir.
150? No.
तो क्या बता रहे हो? हम 150 बता रहे हैं. तो 150 है तो बहुत 150.
80.
50?
80.
Hey Asian, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Huh?
Sir, where are you from? इसमें 50 कम.
Huh?
50 कम इसमें. 150.
150.
I'll do 100 maximum.
No.
Maximum 100.
No.
हमारा दूर नहीं ना. यहाँ से 10 किलोमीटर सर.
Long.
No, it's not.
10 किलोमीटर.
I'll go back to this guy. He was going to do it for 100. No, it's okay. Thank you so much. Got to test the price. Hey, bro. I want to go to Hotel Crinoxco.
Hello? Moscow.
Hotel Crinoxco. It's it's here. Crinoxco.
उसको आपको सर मिलेगा अयोध्या रोड पे.
100.
नहीं अयोध्या रोड.
Yeah, it's this way. Look.
बताऊँ ना कहीं जाइए. 3 किलोमीटर यहाँ से मेरे भाई.
Maximum 5 kilometers.
How much should it cost?
5 किलोमीटर रोड कितना
50 rupees.
50 rupees. Why are you trying to charge me 150?
भैया का तो करा दे 50 रुपए में कोई गाड़ी.
आइए मैं करा देता हूँ.
You want to take me? Yes. All right. I'll give you 50 rupees. Chalo. See you later. That's your home up there, yeah?
Yeah, this one.
Oh yeah? Nice.
That's your look.
Yeah, perfect. You can just drop me here.
No problem.
Don't worry, I'll walk. Thanks, bro. Let me give you money.
It's a good experience.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
And what's your channel?
Oh, I'll show you. Let me give
No,
you.
don't.
I have to.
No.
Let me do it.
No. Please.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I have 50 here.
No, please. No.
Please take it.
No, please. Not any cost. I don't take.
Thank you so much.
Just tell me your channel.
Okay, let me search it.
Yes, okay.
Phil Plan. There you go, dude. Same name on Instagram, so.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
It's very nice experience.
It's great meeting you. See you later. Thanks for the lift. Wow, very friendly people here in Ayodhya.
Sir, ये लो
Huh?
ये पिक्चर दिखाना picture.
Yeah, you want to see your picture. Hey. Oh, I'll walk towards you. Okay, we're doing a little photo shoot. All right. Good man.
Okay.
All right, thank you. See you guys later, yeah? All right. Thank you. All right, we're back in the road again. Back in the road again. Need to try and find... Wait, do I have everything? My ticket? I'm going to Ayodhya Kant station, train station.
रिजर्व में जाएंगे सर रिजर्व
Huh?
ये अयोध्या कैंट
Ayodhya Kant.
रिजर्व में रिजर्व
How?
बुक करके
I get...
फुल
yeah, fine. 100. 100?
100
Okay. Hopefully we're not picking up other passengers for that price. Hello, how are you?
ठीक है बड़े
Yeah, acha. Okay. Thank you. 100, yeah?
120 rupees
No, 100. It's 100. We said 100.
20 rupees वो टोकन
Oh, right. You have 100? Thank you, Daniel. All right. So this is the entrance to the train station. I think I've got plenty of time. It is currently... Hello. Oh. I don't know. Rishikesh is where I'm going. So I don't know which train it's on. Are there multiple platforms here? That's the other question. So yeah, 18:35. So I think I've got like 50 minutes to kill around here. Hey man, do you have any sugar-free drinks? Zero sugar? No zero sugar. You have coffee? Can I get egg coffee? Everyone's thinking, what is this strange guy doing with this camera? But they've got, look at this train they've got over here. Kind of old style. I wonder what kind of style of train I'm going to be getting on for, how much was it? 200 rupees to travel for 16 hours. Alright guys, I got my ticket. Thanks for your help, by the way. I got my, I've had my ticket before, but I don't actually have a reserved space. It's just a general ticket. So they told me, we tried to go down to this counter down there and speak to the staff, but they said that I need to wait until I get on the train to be able to confirm a seat that I can go on that's in the AC or in the sleeper. So it's currently 7:42. The train should be arriving anytime soon. Anytime now. Excuse me. Oh. Can I have one? Egg? Yeah, thank you.
10 rupees.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay sir, पैसे लेंगे पैसे. आप पिएंगे हल्की मीठी पियो आप कहे आप.
Is the train coming from this direction? Yes. Okay. I'm going to Rishikesh.
Rishikesh, yes.
Yeah. I think Ayodhya is the place that I've seen the most number of monkeys. I was sitting here earlier and a guy came over to me and he was like standing over here and he came over and sat down like on my lap, and I like had to push him off me, and I didn't get it on camera, but it was very weird. And he started whispering something to me like, do I want to go for a massage or something with him? It was weird, but then I pushed him away, and then I gave him like angry stares for ages when he was standing just over here with his friend. So then him and his friend walked off, but they were kind of laughing, but then I looked very angry, so they stopped laughing. Anyway, I haven't seen him in maybe 45 minutes. I just saw him again. So let's go and film him. I want to go and show you guys what he looks like. Where is he? There he is. The man himself. He's about to walk past me.
Where are you from?
Pretending he didn't know me. Where am I from? UK.
United Kingdom. I think you're coming for the Diputsav.
Yeah, I went to Diputsav.
Will you enjoy this?
It was amazing. So many lamps.
We make a world record of 22 lakhs of diyas.
Huh?
We make a world record of 22 lakh diyas.
Guinness World Record.
Yeah, it's Guinness World Record.
Yeah.
This year.
Ah. Are you taking the train?
Yeah, my friend is taking.
Nice. Where are you going?
It's going to be indoor.
Ah, Undeterred. I'm going to Rishikesh. Do you know, just as I was walking past you, I was filming a guy who actually came and sat. I was sitting over there, and some weird guy came and sat on my lap, and then started saying to me like, do you want to come for a massage with me or something? So then I was just walking past and I just
He
filmed.
was a local beggar.
No, he seemed like a normal guy, but he started. He was,
But he was a beggar.
no, I think he was just trying to make fun of me or something.
What is your YouTube name?
What?
What is your YouTube page name?
Phil Bland.
Phil Bland.
Phil Bland. PHIL, and then BLAND.
I think your train is arrived.
Yeah, my train's arrived, guys. Hopefully I can get some form of AC, sleeper class. Is that the one I'm gonna get on? Do I just jump on while it's still moving? Hello. So, is somebody pissing out there? Somebody's peeing out the other side of the train. Good start. Is this sleeper or general? I think maybe I'm just gonna go here and then just hope that nobody gives me into trouble. But is there an AC? This is which? Sleeper. Yeah, this is the sleeper. Hello. Do you know if there's an AC cabin?
S3.
AC.
S3. S for science.
Oh,
S3.
that's the air conditioning.
No.
Is there
AC coach is in front of the
at that.
at front of the train
Okay.
or end of the train.
Okay, but there are AC trains, yeah. Cab. Okay, thank you. Please. How much? 10, 20. You have change? I'll take 2. No, wait, 2. I want 2. Can I have another one? I want do. Yeah, do. Do bottle. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, really stocked up. I'll be the one pissing out the side of the train soon. Ayodhya monkeys.
Philip, be sure that you will be losing it.
Don't worry. Why? Somebody what
Yeah, that's the reason. I just saw you there, so I thought of just to tell you here.
what, somebody's gonna push me off?
No, not push you. Somebody will, use the stick. You will be leaving it because you don't have an anchor on your hand.
I'll be alright. I've been doing this for a while, but I appreciate
I
that.
don't know. I just thought of giving you a heads up.
Thank you for the heads up. Look at this. Look at all these monkeys. Goodbye, Ayodhya. It's been Ayodhya. It's been short but sweet. Had a good time. Now, 1 second. see what Rishikesh has to offer. What is it? Vegetable. Thank you. I'm having a samosa. Oh, no, it's okay. You have it. Okay, thank you. Right, we're gonna try a samosa.
Hello.
Mmm. Is it aloo?
Hello.
Aloo and chili. That's very good. It's good, yeah. Tried putting my back here, but it was hurting my neck. So I'm just gonna try sleeping without a pillow. So this is me living the dream here. Gentleman next to me snoring, and many people now on the train making a lot of noise. I think it's like midnight right now. But what am I doing? What am I doing? Good morning. Got my earplugs. It's so noisy on the train. Had my earplugs in on them. I think I managed to get around 6 hours sleep. Maybe more. Which is pretty good. What's the time? 9:23. My neck is killing me. It's a lot chillier here. It's not too cold, but it's not that cold because we're quite far north. It's amazing to see all the people getting the train from place to place. I mean, we've got basically about a quarter of the distance across the north. So I'm actually growing quite fond of the train, even though it's sore in your back when you're lying there asleep. But waking up to this, nothing better. So this is the station. I'm not sure which station it is. It's nice to be on flat land again. I better not let this train leave without me though. Samosa. Unfortunately, I'm fasting. I had a sneaky samosa last night, but I shouldn't have. And I'm fasting until around 5 PM today, so no more food for me. But I might have a chai. Very delicious chai. Nice. These samosas, pakoras are looking at me. They look good. Are they in the middle of a game?
Yes,
Who's the best?
this one.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Okay. I'll play the loser.
I bet on him on 100 rupees.
Yeah?
Yes.
So where from?
Scotland.
Scotland. Okay.
Right, I'm up. Wait, do I sit here or no? Really? Okay. You want to hold this?
Yeah.
Let's try. Maybe I'll pick it up quickly. If I don't, then somebody else goes in.
Okay, okay. I'll help you.
If I'm too slow,
Add
then
it out,
somebody
yeah.
else goes.
Add it out.
Do I have to fill it out?
No.
It's actually add.
नेट बंद कर दो अंजीत
Oh yeah.
Okay, please.
Okay. Is it 6? No. You got 6. Shoot. Okay. 3. Oh no! Shit! You're gonna get me.
अल्लाह बताओ
No, it's okay. Yeah, buddy. Okay, you're in. One. Oh, I missed it.
You could beat him by 4. अंडे क्या कर रहे हो भाई? हेल्प करो यार.
Guys, I'm not gonna do any more moves. I should press this one, yeah? See, back in the race. I'm lost. All three of mine are back home now. 1, 2, 3.
Bro,
You can't
bro, the guy sitting behind, he is gay.
Is
The guy
he?
sitting behind.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
yeah.
The guy sitting behind this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. Right, fair enough.
Yeah, in his country, it's fine there.
In my country, everyone.
Everything is
But
fine.
here, no?
No, here is no.
Really?
Yeah, we will differentiate if like someone is LGBTQ.
Really?
Yes.
In the UK, it's like
Yeah, you
guys would walk down the streets
But
holding
in India,
hands.
it's not fine.
Really? But it's not illegal.
It's not illegal.
It's legal here.
Legal.
But culturally, you guys find it weird.
It's not legal, but by the code, it's legal.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Fair enough. What about women being lesbians?
Like in India, like two same sex, they can marry. Here.
They can.
Yeah, they can marry here.
Two men can marry.
Two men, two women.
They can marry. Okay.
They can marry, yeah.
It's good.
But culturally, it's not acceptable.
Okay.
Yes. By the code, it's acceptable.
Okay.
Yes.
Fair enough.
Bro, like Scotland. We want to record when you say Shri Ram. Can you say it again? No, in our phone.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. Okay. Fine. I'll say it.
ला मैं बना फोन ला
Wait, hold on. Let me put this here.
लो बैटरी दिखा रहा है तेरे में ना
It's okay? Right, 3, 2, 1.
once again
Alright, see you guys later, yeah? They're calling their friend gay. Didn't realize it was like that. Maybe not in every quarter for gay people. Seems like everyone's getting off the train now, which is hectic. I need to go to Rishikesh, but this one seems to be emptying out. Okay. See if I've marked anything up on my bunk. Nope. Okay, so yeah, this is the train. These are all the carriages. Everyone's emptied out now. Good. Just need to try and find the train to Rishikesh. This is the station. Maybe I go this way. We're close though. I think we're like 45 minutes away from Rishikesh. What is this? This one is going to Rishikesh? Yeah? Okay. Alright. I'm gonna get back on. Seems like everyone else is getting off, but I'm staying on. Looks like we're moving. One more stop. And then we arrive at Rishikesh. We're in a very luscious part of the train ride now. Beautiful scenery, all these nice green trees on the last stage of the journey into Rishikesh. Some houses down there. Very nice and chilled on the train now. I've got the whole place to myself. Just a couple of other people on the train. So yeah. Can't wait for a relaxing few days in Rishikesh. And then onwards to Amritsar. And then onwards to the Wagah border to cross to Pakistan, because I have to pick up some things there. Okay, this is my second attempt to leave the train. I think we've now arrived in Rishikesh. Okay. Let's do this. I haven't booked anywhere to stay yet. Let's get a thumbnail. All right. Crazy guy. Okay, I'm gonna do it. So, oh, okay. But it was going a lot slower for me. That guy's a crazy guy. Hello. So, this is Rishikesh. We made it. We made it to Rishikesh, guys. Super excited to be here. I think I'm going to try and find an accommodation. So, I think I just hand over this to the guys inspecting the tickets, but maybe they're gonna find me. I don't know. Somebody told me that I might get a fine. But maybe that's just if I was on the thing there. Here you go. Thank you. Okay. So, no problem there. He must have just only be fining people if they catch them in the sleeping area. No thank you. No thank you, I don't want any help. Thank you. It's actually a very nice train station here in Rishikesh. Very nice. Hello. Can you take me? I want to go to where do I want to go? It's near Royal Colour Lab, Hotel President, Rishikesh. Yeah, so 50?
Yes.
50?
No. 200.
Oh, okay, that's too expensive. Thank you. 200. But at least I know what a ballpark price is. Let's see if this guy will take me. Hello. I want to go to Hungry Bird Cafe near Hotel President. You know Hotel President?
Rishikesh.
Yeah, so how much?
200.
No, too expensive. I'll do 100. Okay. No, 100. You're not doing it for 100. Okay. Yes? 100, okay. Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna go to a cafe, get myself settled and book somewhere to stay because I haven't done that yet. But this was the epic journey from Ayodhya to Rishikesh. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you guys in the next one. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe, like it, share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.